where it lives in grasslands, shrublands, and open forests. This land constrictor is the smallest among the African pythons, growing to a maximum length of 182 centimeters. The name of pythons refers to 17 girls to a ball when stressed or frightened. Once again, our ball python, Sahara, which figures on. And now I have with me the bearded dragon, belonging to the genus Pogona, native to the arid regions of Australia. They have blonde body, triangular head, and distinctive beard of shiny tail. In the wild, they're omnivores, consuming insects, vegetation, and occasionally fruits. As pets, they can maintain true battle reach and can live up to 10 to 15 years with proper care. The healthy suicide metabolic bone disease can occur without proper husbandry. Once again, our bearded dragon, Bogart, featuring Bina. So this time, I need a female adult volunteer. Once again, a female adult volunteer. Just raise your hand and I will choose one.
Yun na. Raise your hand.